Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekalaiva. Separation of substance, class 6, subject science. In previous class, we have discussed about threshing, hand picking and sedimentation and decantation. This class we are going to discuss filtration, evaporation, condensation, saturated solution. Let me see what is filtration. The process by which a mixture of an insoluble solid to separate from the liquid is known as filtration through a filtering device. And we are using a different filtering device at home, and your mother will prepare a tea and she will remove the tea leaf from the liquid, and we will prepare a fruit juice and we will remove the fruit pulp from the liquid. So these are the simple filtration we are doing at home. During filtration, the insoluble solids can be removed by the filtering device, and the filtering device should have a small holes. In the chemistry laboratory, we are using a filtering paper. Using this filtering paper, we will remove the insoluble solids. Let me see what is evaporation. The process by which a substance changes into gas, the liquid changes into gas, is known as evaporation. You can see we are getting salt from seawater by the process of evaporation. This method is used to separate a mixture that contains a soluble solid and a liquid. So you can take a beaker and add water, then salt. You have to mix it, then you should heat. When you heat, the water molecules will evaporate and the salt will be left behind in the beaker by the process of evaporation. A mixture of common salt and water can be separated by evaporation process. Common salt is obtained in a seawater. By collecting that we are getting a salt. Let me see what is condensation. A gas form substance changes into liquid form is known as condensation. Evaporation is liquid to gas, and in condensation, gas form changes into liquid. If you take a water bottle from the refrigerator, after 10 minutes, you can see a small droplets present in the outer side of the water bottle. This because of condensation. And if you heat a water in a pan, and if you close the pan after switch off the stove, you can see that small droplets present in the plate. So this happens only because of condensation. Let us see what is solution and solubility. When we add a spoon of sugar or salt into a water, and we will see that completely dissolved, sugar and salt will be dissolved in a water, and the substance, which substance get dissolved, that is known as solute. Which gets dissolved, that is known as solute, and the substance in which something is dissolved, that is solvent. So solute plus solvent gives solution. Let me see. Let me see. Water is solvent and this salt is solute. So when we add solute and solvent, you will be getting a solution. For example, if you add with the water sugar, you will get sugar solution. If you add salt, you will get salt solution. Let me see what is solution. A mixture of one or more solute dissolved in a solvent is called solution. So, solute plus solvent gives solution. Salt is a solute and water is a solvent, and we will get a salt solution. Substance made soluble or insoluble, whether it can soluble or insoluble. For example, salt and sugar can be soluble in water. If you take a chalk and sand, it is insoluble in water. It may be soluble or insoluble. It is a solution. Let us see what is saturated solution. We have discussed solution, and we have to take a beaker water and add sugar or salt and completely dissolve. That is solution. Now, if we add more and more salt or sugar, some salt particles or some sugar particles will be settled down at the bottom of the beaker. So, that type of solution is known as saturated solution. Let us see what is the saturated solution. You can take a water, dissolve any amount of salt or sugar. By adding this, some will be undissolved, some will be not dissolved in the beaker, and that type of solution is known as saturated solution. A solution in which no more solute can be dissolved is called saturated solution. Saturated solution. So, if you add more and more salt or sugar, that will not be dissolved in a solute. So, that type of solution is known as saturated solution. Solubility. What is solubility? Solubility is the ability of a substance to get dissolved in a solvent. How much sugar or how much salt is going to dissolve. So, that is a solubility. Different amount of substance we can take to dissolve. And to prepare a saturated solution, the amount of sugar or amount of salt required for the saturated solution is very more, and the different properties of involved in the saturated solution. Let us see what are the factors will improve that dissolving. Heating. When you add a cool water to salt or sugar, it dissolves very slowly. If you heat that particular mixture, it is dissolved very fast. So, the amount of salt left at the bottom of the container, if you heat the same container, it fastly dissolves. It dissolves very fast, so that it improve the dissolving property. Dissolve salt in hot water compared to cold water. Next, stirring. So, we have to mix it well. Take a 2 beaker of water and add sugar and 1 more beaker salt, and you have to stir it well. You have to stir it well, and you can see that when you stir it, that particular beaker or particular solution will get easily dissolved. If you are not stirring well, it will not dissolve. This is the one more factor. Next one is powdered form of solute. If you take a crystal salt, if you take a powdered salt, the powdered salt can dissolve very easy. See, in a second you can take a crystal sugar, and the same sugar you have to take a powdered form, and you have to mix same beaker, you have to take and you have to dissolve. So, powdered form of substance can dissolve very easily. So, the powdered form of solute dissolve very fast compared to crystal form. And this lesson we learned about evaporation, condensation, solution, saturated solution and solubility. Thank you children. Let us see next class. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you.